All right, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, the 15th of November. Starting off here, getting ready to go short on RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. That short's going to come in at 1894. We'll watch 1894. I would go ahead and trigger a short 1894. All right, so we're going to continue to watch RTY this morning, which is the mini Russell, NQ, mini NASDAQ. GC, gold this week, watching gold. NG for natural gas, HC for Home Depot. And on the currencies, Euro US. All right, let's take a look at our scanner this morning as well. Good morning, Glenn. How are you, sir? All right, let's take a look at our stock scan last night. What we do is we run a scan we trade specific patterns, and we look for those patterns across a broad range of stocks, like 12,000 different stocks. And we do have some setups, and I'm going to give you those numbers here in a minute. The majority of them, I believe, are pointing down today. All right, so what can I expect on the down? I did say yesterday it was going to be a down day. Interesting enough, it ended up down. Let's see, slightly down. Not a big down yesterday, but let's see. Well, no, actually, it is showing to be up today. Actually, it is showing to be up, but not by much. Pretty close to 50-50, so not too much there. A little bit above 50%. So it is showing to be an updated day by just a little bit. So anyway, we'll play that out and see how it works. I am real close to going short here on RTY. What we do is we are short-term traders. We do not like to hold our positions very long. So we do a lot of very short-term trading during the morning and during the day. So right now it looks like we're going to get ready to go short on RTY. 1894 is going to be that short on RTY. All right, nothing on natural gas. Don't see anything here on gold yet. We are getting short here on Home Depot. Let's take a look at Home Depot real quick. All right, Home Depot. If Home Depot comes down to, let's see here, 306.40. That's going to trigger a pullback, a short. So that's getting real close to getting triggered. Looks like we're going to have a much higher opening. Right now we have the mini Dow up over 350 points. So looks like we're going to have a pretty strong opening. All right, that mini Russell is pretty close here to getting triggered. We're at 95. 94 is going to be my short. $94.5.
Every single trigger that's taken the active.
All right, sitting at 95.5. Not quite yet. Haven't hit 94. 94 is going to be my my entry on this RTY for short. All right, so if you're joining us for the very first time, I suggest that you go to YouTube, Innovative Trading Strategies, and watch this video, an introduction to my unconventional trading strategies and methods. The way I trade is different. I've been using it for the last 35 years. I've been a 40-year trader. This is based off of what I call behavioral patterns. These are not your standard patterns that you may be familiar with. These are very unique patterns. And the nice thing about they are what I call universal, meaning that these patterns will work across a broad range of different assets. And that's kind of what this show is all about in the morning, is just demonstrate that these patterns, I can use them in the indices, I can use them in commodities, I can use them in stocks, I could use them even on cryptos, I can use them in Forex. These patterns work across the board, and they have for the last 35 years. So, and prior to that, we did a lot of testing on them, and these were very, very solid. So, nonetheless, suggest you watch that video, an introduction to my unconventional trading strategies and methods. And what I'm doing in the morning will make a little bit more sense. Now, I am using two strategies, and I do talk about them in the video. I'm using some more core setups. which are all based off of behavioral patterns. And then I'm also using Einstein, which is also using behavioral patterns in combination with a mathematical formula. The difference is the Einstein will give me entries. It will give me a profit target and a reversal. So if a target is not hit, it does reverse. And then on the behavioral patterns, are very time sensitive, meaning that when I'm in a trade, I don't hold it for more than 4 to 5 minutes. So a little bit different. So once you get into an Einstein trade, you wait till either target is hit or reversal. And with the patterns, the behavioral patterns, I am going to be holding it no longer than 4 to 5 minutes, and then I am getting out. All right, nothing triggered yet this morning. Actually, Home Depot actually did hit that target. That was fast while I was talking. Hit 306.40, and it's already come down here to 305.40. So I was looking for a dollar move. It's hit its dollar move, so let's go ahead and remove that. When you're trading with anything, always, particularly short-term trading, it's important that you keep a high focus. Just like that Home Depot got away from us, and it hit pretty quick. So I'm going to see if I can focus here. But nonetheless, nothing now, so we're flat. But do suggest that you all watch this video, and what I'm doing in the morning would make a little bit more sense. If you have questions, best way to do it is you can do it here on YouTube. Either myself or my moderator, Glenn, will answer your questions. Or you can always go to our website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. And there's a way to get a hold of us there to ask any questions you might have. All right, so let's just see what's going to go on here. So flat right now. Could get triggered on RTY, but it's going to have to move quite a bit higher here in order to get a triggered on a buy. But we're closer to taking a short here on RTY. Once again, 1894. 1894. All the indices are high right now. We have the E-mini up 64. Wow, it's really strong. Why? The mini Dow's up 324. RTY's up 29. Mini Nasdaq, wow, up 295. It's going to be obviously a much stronger opening this morning. Yeah, we did have that PPI number come out as positive, and of course, it did bring a lot more buyers into the market. So we'll see. Can it hold it or can it not hold it? All right, let's watch Home Depot here. 303.40. That would trigger a buy at 303.40. Poor dollar move higher. I have a feeling that we are going to get triggered on this this mini Russell. It's trying. Alright, so 94.2, 94.5, 95. It is trying to hit that level. All right, getting close to going short here, 94.4. Obviously, Home Depot hit its buy point, did move a dollar higher. Out of that, that buy was at 303.40 to 304.40 was the target. Looks like Home Depot's going to go much higher here. Watching RTY, I think we're going to get triggered on RTY short. I do like that short. About another 8 minutes or so before the opening bell. Obviously, higher opening. There's 94.2. I think we're getting ready to go short on RTY. Just went short on RTY. All right, let's get a target on RTY. Short RTY. Target on RTY is going to bring us down to 1889. All right, 1889. I'll hold that unless we reverse up here at 1804. All right, we are now short RTY, which is the mini Russell. Target is 1889. Okay, now we are getting an HF1 buy now on Home Depot. HF1, that's the name of one of our patterns. HF1 buy on Home Depot. Target on Home Depot is going to bring me up to 306.40. 306.40. I'd get out and or reverse down here at 304.40. I'm sorry, at 303.40. Still holding short on our mini Russell. This particular pattern that we're in right now is what we call a pairing pattern. Pairing pattern short on RTY. All right, about 30 seconds out for the opening bell. Obviously, much higher opening. At least 300, I would think. All right, there's the opening bell. I'm up 294, 295. Home Depot and a HF1 buy. Target 306.40. Still short on RTY.
Profit target hit.
All right, Home Depot hit its profit target on that HF1 buy. Still short on, on Home Depot. Sorry, Home Depot hit its profit target. Still short on RTY. Now, if RTY hits 1904, that's going to be a reversal, but it's also going to put us into what we call an HF1 buy. So we did reverse now. We're long on RTY. All right, let's get a target on the HF1 buy on the RTY. That's going to bring us up to 1910. Profit target 1910. Reversal 1894. Dow right now is up 389. No, I'm sorry, up 400. Up 400 on the Dow. Nothing going on in gold. I'm gonna watch this mini NASDAQ. We may get triggered here on this mini NASDAQ. That trigger short's gonna be at 120.07 and a half. 120.07 and a half. That was up 437. Wow, 437. This is a good level to add on and or establish a new trade on R2Y. Lower risk, bigger target. Watching the mini NASDAQ. We'll take an initial short here on 120.07.5. We're long on RTY. Just went short on mini NASDAQ. Target on mini NASDAQ is going to bring me down to the 119.70. That is going to be my profit target, 119.70. And if I need to reverse, we'll give it plenty of room, so 120.82.5. So we're long RTY. Short the mini NASDAQ. Alright, Dow's up 370, holding its gains. Watching RTY. RTY may reverse down here at 1894. Getting choppy. Yeah, 1894 reversal.
Reverse sell.
Puts us in a reverse short on the RTY. Alright, still short RTY, and we're still short on the mini NASDAQ. Choppy this morning on the RTY. We're typically going to hit target 70%, and between 70 to 75%, a little higher than that, before we hit reversal. But we do have our days when we do get some reversals that come in. And we are now holding short here. Let's get a target on that RTY, which I didn't do yet. Target on RTY is going to bring us down to 1889, which was our first target, 1889. And you would get a reversal up here at 1804. Dow's up 313. Still short RTY, still short on the mini NASDAQ. Don't see anything here on Home Depot. Nothing on natural gas today. Nothing on gold today. And I don't have anything on the euro.
Profit target hit.
All right, RTY hit its profit target. Still short the mini NASDAQ. Target 119.70. Dow's up 302. Still looking for a target on this mini NASDAQ. 119.70, getting closer.
Profit target hit.
All right, so we did hit 119, wow, 119.70. All right, so that puts us flat across the board here. Just taking a quick look at the mini S&P. Mini S&P is also triggering a short right here. Target on that mini S&P would bring me down to 4009, 4009.75. And it wouldn't reverse unless it came up here to 4047.25, and that would be an HF1 buy. Dow's up 285, 285. Right, got an HF3 buy going on Home Depot. HF3 buy on Home Depot. Target on that at Home Depot is going to bring 306.40. $306.40 HF3 buy. I'd get out at 303, 303.40. Okay, we've got an HF3 buy going on right now on the Home Depot called HF3. That's one of our patterns. You've got a pairing pattern short going on ES, which is the small S&P. All right, still hanging on the small S&P. Yes, trying to hit a target here at 4009.75. Home Depot's at a buy. Target 306.40. All right, so we've got about 2 minutes here before the top of the hour. Once again, we do this more Monday through Friday. First hour is open to everybody, and then after that, we move into our live trading room and continue on. One of the things I want to mention is when it comes to short-term trading, I do recommend find one or two markets you really like and stick with it. I would not trade more than a couple at a time. So by that I mean, if you like the E-mini S&P, stick with it. If you like the mini Russell, stick with it. And then find maybe one more, maybe like a gold or whatever you like. Stick with it. Don't trade more than two at a time because every single one of these markets have their own little personality. It's important that if you're going to be a short-term trader, that you understand what those personalities are. It will definitely help with your trading. It's so valuable to put in screen time And that's the key to being successful. You can't do this as a hobby. If you trade like a hobbyist, meaning you're just dabbling with it, you're going to end up having the same kind of results you have when you go to Vegas, right? So the thing is that you have to put in the time if you want to do this full time. Or if you just want to be successful, you still have to put in the time. And screen time is so important. But I highly suggest never trade more than 2 at a time. You can do very well. I know a lot of successful traders that are full-time traders, and they're stick with just the ES, the small S&P, or they may stick with one of the currencies like Euro US or the US yen. And then you've got your people that stick with the metals like gold and silver. So
Profit target hit.
find what you like and stick with it. All right, so it looks like this Home Depot hit its upper target. All right, so that's going to wrap it up for today. Any questions, please go to my my website, innovatortradingstrategies.com, or also check out all my videos on YouTube, Innovative Trading Strategies. All right, y'all have a good day, and we will see everybody first thing tomorrow morning.